Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this session, we will discuss exercise 9.1 from additional mathematics course for IGCSE and O level students. And this is a very initial topic on the trigonometry. So we have, let's start this question number 1. We have given tangent theta is equal to 2 upon 3, and this theta is acute. It means that the angle theta is in the first quadrant or on any quadrant. So it's assume is theta is acute. So we have to find the exact value of this sine theta, cos theta, and sine square theta, and similarly the other values. So let's start this question number 1. We have given some initial relation. So in a trigonometric in a trigonometry, we actually deal with the right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, we have this x value on the x horizontal axis and y value on the vertical, while this is hypotenuse, is our radius. So sine theta is equal to y upon r. This is perpendicular to the angle, and this is hypotenuse, the largest side. Similarly, for cos theta, we have this base value, adjacent values, and upon hypotenuse or the largest side. And for tangent theta, we have this parallel and adjacent relation. This is very, very important. And some other relation, which is sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. This is identities, trigonometric identities. 1 plus tangent square theta is equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So we will use these relation to find out the other relations. So we have given tangent theta. So this is very important. So we have to practice it or memorize it, because it will be used throughout in exercises, in other exercises as well. So tangent theta is equal to 2 upon 3 and angle is acute. This is given, and we have to find in part A sine theta and cos theta in part B. So start with this relation, but since the tangent theta is given, so we can find this. So this is tangent theta. 1 plus tangent square theta is equal to sec square theta. In place of this tangent, we can place this 2 upon 3 here. So 1 plus 2 upon 3 square is equal to sec square. So this is 1, and 2 square is 4, and 3 square is 9. And similarly, we can simplify it. This is 9 plus 4 upon 9 sec square theta. So sec is inverse of cos, so cos square theta is 9 upon 13, simple. And from this, cos theta is equal to plus minus 3 upon 13. Since the theta is acute and we are assuming it in the first quadrant, the theta will be 3 upon 13, and since this is in the denominator is under root 13, we have to multiply with under root 13 in the numerator and the denominator to make it 3 upon under root 13 upon 3. This is very, very simple, and only the positive because the theta is acute. So this is cos theta we have obtained. So from cos theta, since we have used this relation, instead of this we have find out this cos, so we have to find the sine theta as well. So in this relation, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, we can find the value of sine theta. So sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta, we have shift the cos square theta this on the other side. So 1 minus cos theta is 3 upon under root 13. So now we simplify it, and we have obtained sine square theta is 4 upon under root 13. So 2 upon, on taking square root on both sides, sine theta is equal to 2 upon under root 13, or it is equals to 2 under root 13 upon 13. Similarly, cos sine square theta can also directly be used in a part C is this value. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is already 1. It's solved. So we have placed this sine square theta 4 upon 13, cos square theta 9 upon 13. 4 upon 13 plus 9 upon 13 is always 1. Similarly, for this value, 2 plus sine theta 3 minus cos theta, we place this value and simplify it. Let's go to the question number 2. We have given sine theta is equal to under root 2 upon 5 and theta is acute. Find the exact values of cos theta, tangent theta, 1 minus sine square theta, sine theta plus cos theta. So we have given this and we have to obtain the other values of these expressions. So sine theta is equal to under root 2 upon 5. Theta is acute. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is this relation. So cos theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta, and taking square root on both sides, then cos theta is equal to under root 1 minus sine square theta is equal to 1 minus. Instead of this, because this theta is acute, so all the values will be positive. So we are taking only positive values. 1 minus 2 upon under root 5. Because if this value is under root 2 upon 5, under root 2 becomes 2 and 5 becomes 25. Simplification, this is under root 23 upon 25 and this is under root 23 upon 5. This first relation is obtained. Similarly, tangent theta, sine theta and cos theta is given. Tangent theta can be obtained sine theta upon cos theta. This is placed here and we have obtained this. 1 minus sine theta square theta is, we have obtained this. Similarly, sine theta plus cos theta in place of this and this, and we have obtained this. Cos theta minus sine theta, and we're just placing values and plugging and simplifying it. Let's go to the question number 3. This is also very simple. And find the exact values of each of the following. Tangent 45 cos 60 degree, tangent square 60, and other values. So let's go to the question number 4, which may be the part of P1 exams. So tangent 45 is 1, cos 60 is 1 upon 2. We have already did it in a previous video. These relations, fundamental relations, I have already discussed. This is, and we have plotted, and by simply, this is a sine plot, this is cosine plot, which starts from here. Cosine plots starts from here and this part becomes appear here. So we have already discussed it in the previous video on this topic. So in place of this, we have just plugging the values, and in place of this, tan theta is, sine theta is under root 3 upon 2, while cosine 60 degree square is 1 upon 2 square. We have obtained the sine, tangent theta and cos theta. So this, in place of this tangent theta, we can write sine theta upon cos theta, and cos theta in the denominator, and we can write this. Similarly, for this one, tangent 45 is 1 and sine theta is half. 1 plus sine square theta is under root 3 upon 2. Simplify it. So this is all simple, it's not very difficult. We can just have a command with some experience. Find the exact values of the following: sine 45 by this is pi by 4 is a 45 degree, and this pi is 3, because pi is equivalent to 180 degrees. So in terms of radian, we are just writing it in terms of radian. We can assume pi is 180 degree, 2 pi is 360, pi by 2 is 90 degree, so pi by 4 is 45 degree, pi by 3 is 60 degree. This is very, very easy, and we can easily solve this. So this is exercise 1, and we did it here. Cos pi by 4, cos pi by 3, and we substituting just values 1 over under root 2, 1 upon 2, and we already plot this graph, so this is easy. So in the next session we will discuss exercise 9.